What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? In this video I'll give you a quick update on my Amazon FBA business. What's my first and second product doing? Have I found another product that I'm going to launch soon? So be sure to check this whole video out. Before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get straight in my previous Amazon FBA update video, I was doing product research, and I can say I have found a product that I am going to actually launch very soon. It has cost me quite a bit amount, so it cost me about $2,000, which is the most I've ever spent on a product, which this converts to about £1,700 ish. So it is a decent amount of investment, but I do see potential in this product, and I have learned from my mistakes from my second product and made sure this product is actually profitable and it is a good high demand product, which it is from my research. What I've done, I've contacted a few suppliers, gained samples, took about 1 or 2 weeks for the samples to come and to see that what needs to be improved, or is there any other changes that I want. I've seen that the packaging I do not like from the samples that I've received, and the instruction panel, it doesn't make sense because it's like someone from China has made the instruction panel. The English isn't too great, so I'm going to actually correct the English and sort the packaging out. So I got someone from Fiverr to do like a design of packaging, and I've like sent the whole description of how I want it to get done. But one of the tips is that make sure you do get a sample, because it is important, because you can see what's actually good with the product and what isn't. Is it functional? And things such as the instruction panels, does it actually need adjusting or not? After receiving 2 samples, I can see that one supply is better. It's actually cheaper as well, and I'll get the packaging and the instruction panels sorted out, so that shouldn't be an issue. I'm gonna go with them. I've told them I'm gonna go with them. I just need to make the payment of around $2,000, or just over $2,000, including the bank fees and all that. And I've made the payment today to get my packaging designed and customized. In regards to bundling this new product that I've found, is that I'm going to add 2 bundling products. People selling this product already has a bundle because it fits well with and is needed for this product that I'm going to sell. But I've added another bundling product because it does fit well. It's in the same industry. People will actually use it. But the other sellers are not actually differentiating themselves because they're all adding that bundling product. So what I've done, I've added that bundling product because it's like quite an essential product that you need with the main product. However, I've also bundled with another product because that will allow me to differentiate myself from my competitors, which is what you ideally want to do in order to actually stand out, as I mentioned previously. And this bundling product, it only cost me like 46 cents per unit, and I've got 200 units of this product, so it only cost me what is it, $92 or something. So it's mad cheap, so it didn't actually cost me much at all, but that will allow me to add an extra few pounds to the overall costing price, and it will allow me to actually stand out from the rest, which is what you guys need to do. In regards to my second Amazon product, I have sorted the product photos, so I have got professional product photos now, and I've sorted the back-end keywords and the normal keywords, which I used Helium 10 for that, which is a great tool, and I will talk more about it in the next video. Yeah, so I've got to that stage, and I've also started an automatic PPC campaign to gain some more information and research on the key terms that actually convert and not convert in terms of my product, which I started 2-3 days ago. So I've not received any sales yet. But what I've also done is that I've looked at Jungle Scout Chrome extension of my products, and the top sellers are literally selling about 30-40 units. So it doesn't really give me that much hopes that this will actually sell out or even like sell really. So one of my potential things I was considering was liquidating my products. Liquidating your items basically means that Amazon takes over your product, so they own it, and they'll literally sell it for low values, lowballing it, whatever they can get, and they'll give you 90% of the cut out of what they've sold. So say if they sold it for £1, you keep 90p, they keep 10p. That's how it would work. But what I realized was that only works in the US, that you can liquidate your items. You cannot liquidate. There's no option to do it in the UK, which sucks a bit, because it would have been a good option, because you still get a bit of your money back. The only ways now is to actually send it to myself, and that will cost, I think it's like 30 to 40p per unit to actually send it to yourself. So if I've got 120 units, times that by about 40-50p, that'll work out about 60 to 70 pounds, I think, which is quite expensive just to send it back to yourself. Or the option is to actually dispose the items, and that will cost 15 cents per, I think 15 to 20p per unit. So it is a bit cheaper, but that's literally just getting rid of your products. The reason why they charge this is because they still have to pay the employees to get rid of your products and so on. But yeah, it kind of sucks it doesn't have the liquidating item option. But what my idea is try doing an automatic PPC, see if I can get anywhere. If not, then I'll probably just dispose the products, because there's no point sending it to myself unless I'm going to resell it on like eBay or so on. But whereas if you dispose it, then yeah, you still pay a bit, but then like if you paid more on giveaways and PPC, it will work out more expensive, and you probably won't even make a profit. So I'll make a bigger loss than actually just disposing it. So that is what my thought process is at the moment in regards to my second product. But yeah, that is the update so far. If you guys found this useful, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe down below.